Hello kids, welcome back to English class. In the previous video, we learned about the long vowel E sound words and now we are continue this and today we are going to learn the A sound words which ends with the letter E. So let's begin. So the first is N. A N E N. N. The words end with the letter E and again the E is silent. We don't use the sound of E. So the first word is cane. C A N E. Cane. Cane. E is silent. We don't say canny. We say cane. Cane. Next is lane. So this is cane. Lane. L-A-N-E. Lane. Now the next is main. M-A-N-E. Man. Pen. Can, lane, man, pen. Towards the next. Aim. A-M-E. Aim. First is came. Aim. Aim. Came. Second is fame. Aim. Fame. Fame. Now the next is game. G-A-M-E. Game. Aim. Aim. Game. Same. Aim. Aim. Same. Same. The next is lame. L-A-M-E. Lame. Lame. Now moving towards the next. A. A-L-E. Ale. So first is male. M-A-L-E. Male. M-ale. M-ale. Male. Pale. P-ale. P-ale. Pale. Kale. 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 So moving towards the next. Okay, now first word cape. 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 Next is tape. Ape. Tape. Ape. Tape. Gape. Ape. Gape. 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 Tape. Gape. It's your testing time. Aim. Aim. Very good. Game. Which game is your favorite? Now, moving towards the next. Lane. 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 Very good. Ale. 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 Male. Well done. Now, ape. 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 Tape. Very good. Good job, kids. Tape. You are learning very fast. So, these are the long vowel A sound words which ends with E. And here the E is silent. We don't use the sound of E. So kids, hope you learn it and also enjoy it. So keep learning with fun and keep practicing by saying again and again. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.